back again. Help us by subscribing to our YouTube channel. We'll really appreciate that a lot. So help us by subscribing to our YouTube channel. We still have actually the market. You can see on the screen. We actually have the market. So NASDAQ managed to gain some gold. Beautiful. I'm buying gold. I'm selling gold. I'm buying gold. Beautiful, guys. Help us by subscribing. I'm buying gold. Hello traders, we're back again. We are here online, so we're trading gold. Gold is actually a buy. I did tell you that we will have a pullback, and that pullback is going to be so much important. You can see that we are in profit. We did get that type of the pullback, so help us to grow. We are trading again. Call the market. Let me do some setting for this video. If you didn't subscribe, you want to comment on this video. So you can see we're at least on 30 minutes chart. We are still coming back up. The profit is great. It's a small account, but anyway, we are trading. I will explain to you. I'm going to my trading view and explain the strategy, explain what is really happening here, because some people don't understand what is really happening here. Trading small account, no matter what, we're trying to grow small account into big account. Help us by subscribing to our YouTube channel. We're going back up. Let's check 15 minutes. On 15 minutes chart, you can see that actually on our chart, look at this, guys. We have this pattern. Actually, this pattern, you can see. This is a pattern that I'm talking about. We have this pattern, and we managed to come back to somewhere around here. So this is a buying market. This is a buying market. It's not a selling market. Actually, it's a buying market. We will continue going up. Help us by subscribing to our YouTube channel. And let me do this. Fast. Yes, profit is doing very well. In profit. Click the like button, guys. Yeah. Why is it been? Check out the 15 chart. 15 minutes chart. We're going back up. The profit is going to be amazing. It's going to amaze you. It's going to amaze you. You can ask yourself, is this even real? Because it's gonna be looking like it's not a real thing. Mm. 5 minutes. Look at the structure. Look at the two candlesticks. Just in 10 minutes. But we will be growing. There's no way you can go wrong. We are growing. Still a rejection. I'm expecting something to happen to this market. Look at it. Look at the margin level. It's crazy. I this broken. Let me go to trading view. Try to explain gold market. You want this? What is gold? Okay, let's just search. It doesn't fall on the indices. I think all. Yes, gold. Look at that here. We can see on our daily chart. Actually, we have a strong bullish candlestick. Yes, we did have a seller's entry into the market, but we have this candlestick, which is the last candlestick was bullish and looked like a doji like candlestick. So that is the reason why I placed the buy. So I was looking for entry point. So my entry point, it was supposed to be somewhere around here. So I got it actually because I did wait for the market to reach where I want the market to reach. So it was it was just according to candlestick patterns. I didn't just take a trade because I feel like it was according to candlestick patterns. So I decided to take this trade because of what is happening into the market. I think we're doing very well. Okay, the profit doesn't really amaze you. Let me close one. Doesn't really. The profit is amazing, guys. The profit is amazing. Like I said, It's very easy to make money if you know what you're doing. So candlestick patterns doesn't really work. So look at this. 5 minutes chart. Look at the structure, guys. This is a bias structure. We have to go back up in the daily chart. We have to reach somewhere around here. Around there. Supposed to be our target. That is according to my strategy. So do your research. Still going up. 50-minute chart. 40. Quality. Dinner. I don't know. Yes. This is what we want. If I lose as bullish, we'll continue going up. We have 1 minute chart. This is just 1 minute chart. This is what I like about gold. Gold is a very good market when it comes to this thing. Okay, going back up. Okay, 40, 42, 45. Is it a low size? 0.60 something. I was very serious. I was very serious about this trade. It was a high risk. Just a very high risk trade. So I'm closing another one. It doesn't give you profit like this. No. I'm scalping. I think 2 trades are enough. 0.60 something for gold. On a small account like this, like that. And gold on this broker is very profitable. Let's keep going up. More opportunities. Help us by subscribing, to our YouTube channel. 15 minutes. Our 15-minute chat. Oh, we're going back up. Look at it. We're scalping, guys. We take profit because I'm just looking at the market right now. If I was going away, so my take profit is going to be somewhere around the stop loss. It was gonna be even more down, somewhere around here. Yes, we 15 minutes. We're still going up. Usually we may close as bullish, but this is called nothing can happen. Still going up. If you reach 50-50, rejection. Help us by subscribing. Okay, it's happy. coming back down. Remember, I still make 100 is a 100. Let me look for opportunities. Bitcoin, BTC USD. Don't trade like me, guys. I am a risk taker. Still bullish. We're getting a pullback on 5 minutes chart. Look at the moving average. Look at the RSI. A very, very good market. We're coming back down. Okay. This is a very profitable market. If I get another opportunity, I place other trade. Coming back down again. More opportunity. Yes. If the market will come back down to somewhere around here, I'm placing a buy. Look at 30 minutes. Reversal pattern. This is a reversal pattern. It's another reversal pattern. Tweezer, candlestick patterns. It's actually a bullish tweezer. Help us by subscribing. Let me check 5 minutes chart. 1 minute chart. This is 1 minute chart. This is a very good market, guys. It's a very good market with good market structure. If we come back down, I'm placing more trade. Remember, I've made profit, so I'm gonna just use the profit. More trade. We're not here to play. Actually, I'm here to scalp. That's the market. Let me check out some of your messages. Yeah. I think it's going to be a bullish. Canadian is bullish for me. But you said six 6,000. Can you see your messages? Said 6,000 something. We may come back down, you're right. But for me, I already made a lot of money. Is that it will move? Let me close. It's possible. I'm not sure. I'm not saying it's not possible. It is possible, but I'm still seeing some buyers entry into the market according to my strategy. So it is possible. I'm not gonna say it's not possible for the market to come back down. But this time frame, ish, whatever. We're coming back down. Let's check out another market. But I was trying to scalp. It will be okay if even if the market is coming back down. TG. Okay, I'm back down. Bitcoin is actually a sell. I just want to see whether if we keep going down. So I'm during the trade. I'm gonna focus on other markets. If we're going to close as bullish, which is what I'm suspecting on a daily chart. So I'll try to reach which is my take profit somewhere around here. I think the profit will be good for me. Bring it back up. I just want to see whether we will close as bullish, because this is a strong bullish candlestick, and this is not a reversal. It's actually a reversal pattern. It's not a. It's not a. So first, wherefore, happy walk. Okay. On this chart. Still going back up. Let me delete this. So tell us your thought, guys. We're trading gold. Tell us your thought. For me, I think it's gonna be a buy, at least for one day, or at least for today. Or even a week. Someone told me that the market may go down as the option, so we don't disagree with it. Actually, it may be true, but for me, I'm just analyzing what I see. I'm just trading what I see. Maybe true. So can't be right in this business. Can always be right. And you can see I may not be right today, but I just want to see whether we will close as bullish. My aim is to see whether we will close as bullish. If the trade get me into loss, I'm closing it immediately. Or a big loss like 10 or something. Let me check your message. Oh. Oh, but you continue up or what? I'm not sure. I'm not sure, my guy. I'm not sure. So what I can tell you is that what I see right now, mm, it may go down like the way you said, because the market is rejecting right now. But what I see right now, actually, today's signal, which is on a daily chart, it was a strong, bullish candlestick, like a reversal. So I'm just expecting for the market to reverse. You may be right. So I'm not sure. I'm just trading what I see for today. I think anything can happen here, my guy. But I'm scalping. If things don't go very well, I'm still in profit, so I'll be fine. I'll focus on another market that I understand. So that is my plan. You need in trading, you need a plan. You need a plan A, plan B. If something doesn't work out, at least you still have a good plan. That's why I'm using the broker's man. I'm not using my man. Or you think the buyers are getting weak? You may be right. Maybe right. Maybe right. So we'll just see. If I get into loss like 10 or something, I'm closing. That is my plan. But I'll try to trade Bitcoin, but I don't see any opportunity because Bitcoin is still a sell. You can see on the screen. Still a strong sell. I was hoping I will get opportunity there, but I didn't get any opportunities because I was busy. Yes, my guy. Yes, trading. We this YouTube channel is where we talk about these things, so that we'll learn and be an experienced trader. Yeah. Yes, my guy. Right now. I'm gonna be scalping. If you know scalping, I'm going to be scalping. You can see that I did scalp. I don't want to hold anything for long. I get into profit, I'm out. Actually, this one is just one trade, so we are still coming back down. As 15 minutes chart, I can see even the moving average. Yeah, you need to scalp, take profit, then use the broker's profit. It's so nice. It becomes successful very easily because you're not using your money, your hard work money. I always do that. Yeah, you are right. You are right. Taking small profit is the best decision that they can do. Just take small profit, scalp within a minute. You're right. You look for other opportunity. I can see the market is coming back now. Not losing. You see that the market is coming back down. So decided close. I'll look for opportunities somewhere. Maybe Forex. You do trade Forex on NASDAQ market. UDSD. You mean which level? Oh, you mean 2,368, somewhere around here. Maybe right. Yeah, maybe right. The candlestick was too big, but we still have buy signal. I think we may close as bullish, but 68 will maybe retested. You're right. You're right. 68, we may be retested. Just looking at forex market. We did buy on GP USD. Yeah, I'm expecting a retest too, because I didn't understand you, but right now I understand what you are saying. I'm expecting a retest. At least a retest. Somewhere around here. Then I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna check the levels of the match. Try to draw. Okay. It's still coming back down to the moving average. Usually is 2,368. Yes, that is what I see right now. You may be right about the coming back to 2,368. But we are going to close sooner. It's only, actually, it's 1 hour. 1 hour, 30 minutes. Around 10, the market doesn't move that much. Around 10. Okay, US tech. Actually, US tech is a strong bullish market. This is what I like about this market. Do you trade this market? Eh, I cannot read. This is a name. Eh? I cannot read it. Sounds like it's written in Afrikaans or something. Cannot read it. Mm. Oh, great. Mm. Oh, you said yes. Yes, they can eat my man first. You mean the market is overvalued? But look at the structure. Market is just overvalued. Yes, tech. But I think there are opportunities. Rewrite the structure. Still a nice market. There's so much opportunity in this market. There's a future. Let's check gold again. But I don't expect too much right now. Nah, I'm not expecting too much. Yes, you are right. The market, NASDAQ market is too high. If one day we get a correction, because a correction is when the people with big money, actually people with more money, with richer people buy. You're right there. I understand you. Waiting for correction is the best thing. The market is too high, but even gold is too high. I don't know whether gold is in demand, because gold started buying. Maybe it's in demand. Governments or whatever rich people are buying gold. Let's hope. Right now it's around 10, so 11 not lock. The market is still losing. Then it's gonna open around 11 not lock. The market is still losing. Then it's gonna open around 11 not lock. The market is still losing. Then it's gonna open around 11 not lock. The market is still losing. Then it's gonna open around 11 not lock. The market is still losing. Then it's gonna open around 11 not lock. The market is still losing. Then it's gonna open around 11 not lock. The market is still losing. Then it's gonna open around 11 not lock. The market is still losing. Then it's gonna open around 11 not lock. The market is still losing. Then it's gonna open around 11 not lock. The market is still losing. Then it's gonna open around 11 not lock. The market is still losing. Then it's gonna open around 11 not lock. The market is still losing. Then it's gonna open around 11 not lock. The market is still losing. Then it's gonna open around 11 not lock. The market is still losing. Then it's gonna open around 11 not lock. The market is still losing. Then it's gonna open around Yeah, I do day trading every day. I trade every day. Actually, I'm trying to get more experience with the market so that I can be very experienced. So I'm trying to grow small account into big account each and every day. So you will see me trying to grow a $10 account into something big. That's my plan actually. I want to train my brain so that I can grow small account into big account in a small period of time. So I try by all means. So I trade every day, Monday to Friday, Saturday to Sunday. I do trade synthesis, volatility index, step index. The more I believe, the more you do something, the more you get experience. Mm. That's what I'm planning. I hope you don't give up too. That's my plan. I'm trying by all means to learn candlestick patterns, to understand candlestick patterns, uh, to be a student to the market actually, each and every day, so that I can learn something. I can start doing things correctly and start making money, really money. Tomorrow we have CPI. Are you going to trade it? Tomorrow we have CPI event. I think it's around, I don't know about your GMT, but for me it's around 2:30 in the afternoon. So I will be trading online, but I will be using pending orders, 1 minute strategy. CPI doesn't spike. It's not like in NFP event. In my country, it's going to be half past, usually half past 2 in afternoon, tomorrow afternoon, somewhere around 2:30. Before the actually, after that, we have a open session, which is 3:30. That is when stock market is opening, what. Oh, it's 10. It's 10:43. For me, it's 9:43. You can see on the screen 9:43. So it's going to be the same time. The fundamental event is going to be released in the same time. It's just that our time frame, our time GMT was still gonna be the same. It's going to be released in the same time. I think so. I'm from Botswana, a country somewhere in Africa. Botswana. Nice to meet you, man. Why? Oh, you're from Egypt. Okay. North Africa. How is it that side? Egypt. I just see Egypt only on the TV. But I hope one day I will visit that site. Just for being tourist. Eh? Tourist, yeah. Tourist. Okay. White. Very nice country. Okay. Okay, my guy. As long as I hear we're doing fine. We're doing fine. I'm doing fine. Just that it's winter this side. But the winter is not, there's no winter. It's not a normal winter. It's like I don't know. It's winter, but I think the market is going to close, guys. Because you can see the market is moving slowly. It's going to close. I think around 11. So a good opportunity is going to be oh, it's too much hot that side. Too much hot. This side is hot in summer. In winter, it's not that hot. I understand. There are opportunities that side, like opportunities, The economy is doing very well. When the economy is doing very well, there are opportunities. Mm. But gold, I think when it lose as when it loses like this, the way the market it is right now, or we may even come back to the same level that our friend uh, commented about. But I don't think around 10 the market doesn't move that much. And around 11 you can see my time right now, so the market lose. New candlestick is going to form around 12 o'clock in the morning actually. Yeah. Morning. It's morning. Oh, English. 12 a.m. Yeah, I realized that from trading, when it's like 1 hour before the market is going to close, the market started to become slower. Yeah. Stock market closed around 10 or 10, somewhere around there. We'll see how the market behaves. I just want to see whether we'll reach 2,368. Will be the level that I will be interested in. Or we're going to retest on the level tomorrow. If the candlestick close like this on the screen, so we're going to retest, obvious, before we go up. So I'm just expecting still a buying market, I think. Yes, yes, you're right, my guy. All right. Right now, we're just waiting for this candlestick to close. You can see on the screen to close. Obviously, the candlestick is going to close as bullish. The market closed around 11. You can see my time zone, actually, my time right now. So the market is going to close around, now it's about to 6 minutes to 10. So around 11, which means we're left with 1 hour 6 minutes. So around 11 the market close. So we'll be analyzing for tomorrow. I just want to see whether how the candlestick is going to close. Right now, even if you buy, the market is too slow, we can see. Even if it's a buy, you will make money, but you won't make big amount of money unless you're scalping. So we were expecting, according to our friend from YouTube, yeah, tomorrow I think the market is going to be better. Plus, we are going to have a CPI event. CPI event, that is what the event that I'm interested in. I don't know whether some of you do trade CPI and NFP fundamental event. I don't know whether you do trade them. FOMC, interest rate. But they're very risky market. So for me, I will be trading because I want to learn. There's something that I want to learn from that market. I'll be risky. I'll take the risk. I will be taking the risk tomorrow. For gold, for now, I'm not sure whether we're going to be bear. I'm not sure. For gold, I'm not sure. We may come back down. Everything is possible in fundamental. Everything is possible. So, yeah, yes, sir. I think tomorrow the market will be better. 30 minutes before, we'll analyze the market the whole day until the fundamental event. At least we have the whole day to analyze the market, to see where the market will go. See your time. I think tomorrow I'm gonna be live. Actually, this live I'm just gonna leave it. Then tomorrow I'll close this live, and then around 10 I'll be live. Then until 2, until 2:30. In your time zone, I think it's going to be 1:30, because we only our time zone will only be differ in 1 hour, so it's going to be 1. But the fundamental event is going to be released in 1:30 in your time zone. So for me, it's going to be 2:30. I don't know whether I'm right, but yes, sir. So right now I'm just looking at how this candlestick is going to close. Like, mm, AUDSD, yeah, I'm still holding it. But it's from not from this account. I took my trade on another account. I started with 130, 33, somewhere around there. Then I took some of the trade in the morning. I did make a live stream, but I didn't talk on the live stream. So I just took the trade there. So I was in profit actually. So I will be closing the trade tomorrow because we have a fundamental. Before fundamental, I see I'm closing everything. Fundamental event doesn't play. So fundamental event, very risky market, but I want to trade no matter what. I'm learning. I want to learn more about this fundamental event. Okay. The market. This broker is a market maker, so some candlestick on 4-hour chart will look like something else. I think this is the last hour. Then we close. The market will be closing. But this year, NASDAQ did perform very well. I'm not. It was a very good market this year, especially from January. This was from January. Yeah, from January until now. The market did perform very well. Look at the screen, guys. This is from January. We did perform very well. Because if I remember very well, uh, somewhere around here it was December. I did trade this market. Hmm. if we can get some kind of pullback, that will be a blessing from NASDAQ. But I don't see that happening. We may continue going up for a long period of time, even 10 years or 20 years. Nothing possible with NASDAQ market. But I'm expecting gold market. I'm not expecting too much. I think we'll try to come back down. We will try to come back down, at least to somewhere around here. So we will. If we close like this, I think we're gonna need a pullback. If we close like this, like the way this candlestick it is right now, maybe a pullback tomorrow, like this. We'll pull back from the moving average, and we'll continue going up. I think if we close like this, like that, anything is possible. Oh, you think it's going to be a sell? I don't know, guys. We'll see tomorrow, because right now, I think a pullback for gold, pullback will be possible, but it's not going to be if the candlestick close like this, we're gonna have some kind of pullback like this. That is my view, actually. Something like this. Like, so I don't think the market will move too much. Around 11, we're closing, actually. We are closing. Yeah, I think around 11. Is that 9? Okay. I think nine in my GMT is going to be 11 because I'm not sure. I'm not sure. What is your time zone there right now? Let's say, what is the time right now like? Mine is you can say 22.00.07.09. Sorry, I don't know what is the time zone right now because our time zone, our GMT are much more different around the world. We don't sleep at the same time. Some countries they don't sleep. I don't know which one. Somewhere in Europe. Europe. There's no night. It's just morning. I forget the name of the country. It's a very cold country, if I remember very well. I'm not expecting too much from the market. You can see that the market is no longer moving at all. Only 15 minutes. Right now, the market won't move that much. So, the market will close then. I think, it will close. Then new candlestick will be formed for tomorrow. So tomorrow, I think the market is going to be changed. The structure is going. Most of the market structure is going to be changed. Because of the fundamental event. Fundamental events are very powerful, like CPI event. For example, CPI event. We still have a GDP. Pound for pound. Another one for pound. Good trade balance. Goods trade balance. Non-Europe. Pounds again. A jobless claim. We use the same time. We can say my time zone. Only my time zone is going to be 2. First day, July, which is 16 hours and 16 minutes. Then we have a continuation jobless claim. CPI. SA. They say SA. June. This is the event. 2:30. High impact. We only focus on the high, the one with the rate and high. Inflation rate. Then another CPI, inflation rate again. So we're going to, these are the fundamental events that are going to occur tomorrow, including this one. including the inflation rate, CPI, inflation rate. Again, it's just different. All these fundamental events are going to affect USD. This one is going to for goods trade balance is going, and goods trade balance and non EU. It's going to affect only pounds. It's 9 hours from now. It is 8 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. But I'm not going to trade this one. I want something that I can trust. This one I can trust. CPI can be trusted. These are fundamental events for tomorrow that are going to affect our market. So our time zone is going to be different. That's why if you can download this app, our time zone is going to be different. Because of where we live. So you'll find out for me is 9 hours something, but it's gonna be 9 hours for you, but and something. The hours are going to be the same, but the time are going to be for example, let's say 8 in the morning. 8 in the morning for me is going to be 10 or something like that. But the time is going to be the same. It's gonna be in the same time. There's no phenomenal event that's going to release for this type of people. This type doesn't work like that. It's releasing in the same day, same time, different time zone. So you can see the market is too slow. We're just waiting for the market to close so that we can analyze the candlestick. I'm just waiting. What I like about gold, this is gold. It's the same market. For chart, what I like about gold, we did have a reversal pattern. Is this one. I think the market will continue going up until I see some kind of reversal pattern, something like that. So if the candlestick close like this, I expect maybe a pullback, then close somewhere around there. If we see that, or somewhere around there, we see that sellers need to end, that is when I will enter my trade. Right now, I think I'm gonna trust the candlesticks. if we come back down, I'm not expecting too much again. 15 minutes chart. You trade with indicators only, or if you use something else, background look like a PC or something. So I use I'm just trading with candlestick patterns right now. Indicators, they never work for me, so I only use what I understand. So we trade differently. Let's say, for example, you can see on the screen we have a doji candlestick. So I'll try to buy here because of this doji candlestick. Then I'll know that this is a morning star pattern. After the market close there, what's happening with the trader? So after the market close somewhere around there, you can see like a doji like that. I'll place a buy. That's how I trade. So my take profit will be somewhere around here. I don't even place stop take profit, but I recommend if you are trading, you must use a take profit and stop loss. But I don't do that because I'm always on my trade 24 hours. So if you're working at doing something, you have to use those pins. For me, I don't use those pins. I am working, but I'm always there. So I think that if I took a buy from there, take profit is going to be somewhere around there. So stop loss somewhere around there. So this candlestick pattern, they work for me. For me, I don't know about you, but I've learned about this candlestick patterns. There was a guy from YouTube, somewhere around here, YouTube was teaching people about candlestick patterns. They really work. I learned something from him. The only difference is that it was you have to pay money in order to learn. So there was no need. Yeah, in the background, I'm just typing actually. I'm answering you. Let's say I'm answering you. I'm just typing. So I tried to use candlestick pattern, guys. This is a market maker broker, so I try to use this way, actually this app or website. So we can see this trading view. So I try to use a trading view chart. 3 minutes. So I try to analyze candlestick patterns. I'm not trying to use any indicator because they never worked for me. I used to trade with indicators. I was in loss. So I don't know. I don't understand how to trade with them. But for moving average indicator, only moving average. It's the only one that I have mastered. You can see I have only one moving average. The RSI, I'm not even using it. So the moving average is the only indicator that I'm using. So if I want to enter a trade, let's say, you can see, let's say the market was like this. I'm trying to show you with how I trade with the moving average. So the market was like this. So I'm going to enter my trade. Yeah, I was going to enter my trade somewhere around there. SSL, just to continue the trend. I was gonna trade like that with the moving average. Sometimes the moving average acts as a support area, showing me where I'm going to enter. For example, somewhere around here. So you see the moving average showing me that I have to enter a buy. So I try by all means to create my own strategy, usually. That works for me. So we trade in a very different way, but I try to use candlestick patterns like hammer, shooting star, bullish engulf candlestick, bearish engulf candlestick, morning star pattern, evening star pattern. Those different types of candlestick pattern. I try by all means to use them. I trade like that. So it really works. It worked for me because I'm making profit. Even if I'm losing, sometimes I'm wrong. So most of the time I scalp, most of the time I hold my trade. So they become successful sometimes. Not all the time, but I can say 80% of the time I make profit. Which means 20% is only loss. So yeah, that is how I trade, guys. I try by all means what's the moving average setting? So this is a setting. You can see the method is simple, then apply is close, then period is 10, shift is 0. So 1 pixel, 1 pixel, yeah, 1 pixel here on style. The color is red. So nothing else. Just like that. It's actually the moving average that you get when the broker, when you, let's say, when you open a new account, it's the same setting. So it's used by banks, it's moving average. It's used by banks. So you just get it with the broker. Yes, sir. So it's half past right now. It's going to be half past. So our market is going to close around, I think around 12 o'clock. The market is going to be open again in my time zone. In our time zone, it's going to be something different, but it's going to open. The market is going to open at the same time. So it close at the same time, open at the same time, but different time zone. Tomorrow we have important event, CPI event. So don't forget that. And some people will be trading their fundamental position without knowing maybe this fundamental is coming. So tomorrow we have initial jobless claim, and we have a jobless claim 4 weeks average. We have continuing jobless claims. We have CPI, inflation rate, MOMO. We have CPI. These are the event. Inflation rate, YOY. Core inflation rate, YOY. Core inflation rate, MOM. So those are the fundamental events that are going to affect our market. So in my time zone, it's going to be 2:30 afternoon. So in your time zone, it's going to be different. You can download this app, FX calendar, or any type of calendar, FX calendar, and check the fundamental event. They really affect the market badly. Let's say you are holding some trade. Actually it's a sell or something. It's a sell, then the market buy. You're going to lose, obviously. So the fundamental event can choose any direction, or a buy or a sell. So some people use a 1 minute strategy. I'll try to explain it. 1 minute strategy, but I used to use the strategy one time ago, or pending order strategy. So they just let's say if they think gold is let's say they want to trade gold, so they're gonna use a stop loss, buy stop, sorry. So on the price, you have to click on the plus sign. You can see. So on the plus sign, you'll get the moving price. Then you add, when it's 2,371, you are going to add 100. It's going to be 471. So once I trade an account of 100 to CPI, it blow down before going up. Is there? It depends on what your trade, the loss size. Sometimes I think it depends on the loss size or the broker that you are using. So when you are using a CPI event, you must check your broker. Some brokers are not good for fundamental event. So always check your broker, the broker you are using. Some are good for fundamental. For me, I'm going to use a broker that I know is good for fundamental event. So try to use a broker that is good for fundamental event. Let's do a sell stop. So we clicked on the plus sign. So we're going to minus actually. It's 2,371. So I'm going to minus 100. It's going to be 200. Okay, You can see there are 2 pending orders. Let's check them. What the hell is going on? I'm sure that yeah, there are 2 pending orders. So everything okay. Okay, 2,471. 2,000. Yeah. This one is supposed to be 3. Let me do it again. Something wrong here. So some people use penny orders because they don't want to execute that trade. It's very executing a trade. You are going to, let's say, which means you have to pick a direction. If it's a buy, it's a buy. If it's a sell, it's a sell. But using penny order, it doesn't really work. Sometimes, if there's no spike, if the spike is going to trigger the 2 trade in the same time, so you'll lose very fast. So that's the problem with penny orders. If there's a spike, you lose. The spike is when the market run two opposite direction in just a minute or seconds. Okay, 100 is too big here. It's on a monthly chart. I just had 100, not 1,000. What the hell is going on with this broker? This broker is not good for fundamental event. Some brokers are not good for fundamental event. You can say it was 2,471, 2,271, but there's something wrong. But yeah, this broker is not good for fundamental. I must try a new one. I don't use this broker for fundamental event. So fundamental events are very important. I hope you understand, guys. Very much important. Most people who are successful in this business, I think they trade fundamental event, even if they trade technical, but they make more money from fundamental event, I think. So I think gold, I'll try to trade gold tomorrow. But the gold is very risky when it comes to, I think it's what I'm going to be interested in. No spike during fundamental event like CPI. Nothing. So USD is the only market that I prefer to trade. So I went to trade AUDUSD, but AUDUSD is perfect because I don't know what is going to happen, but oh, AUDUSD is going up. It's a buy. Let's check. Let's check AUDUSD. I'm not sure. Let's check it. Maybe telling the truth. Yeah, I don't see what I want to see. Let's check it on trading view. AUDUSD. AUD USD. FX. Yeah, we may buy. We may buy. All right, you are right. We may buy. You can see we have a continuation pattern. This pattern. Usually this pattern, which is a buy signal plus a hammer, which is our signal for today. Well, we may buy. Well, you are right. Yeah, we may buy. Everything is saying, yeah, I'm still holding. From your holding, I'm still holding AUDSD, but I'm going to close before the fundamental event. I'm going to close. I don't see. I'm going to close and leave some. Maybe okay. I think I took more than maybe 10 trades, then leave 3. So I'm into what do you think about GPUSD? I think GPUSD, GP, yeah, USD. It's going to be affected, obviously, in this fundamental. We did buy, you can see. It was a very strong buy for today. I'm also not sure about this one. Because we did buy from today. And I was expecting to buy. I was expecting a buy even myself. I think I could have taken my trade. It could have been somewhere around here. Somewhere around here. Take profit. It was somewhere around there. I didn't trade this market. Did I trade this market? I don't remember. Euro USD, I don't know. I don't know what is going to happen on Euro USD, but I think we may sell or a buy. I'm not sure. When you're not sure, it's better to use new orders. Okay, 15 minutes remaining, but closing. Then new candlestick is going to be formed for tomorrow. For tomorrow around 12 in my time zone. So tomorrow we'll be trading the market. We'll be analyzing your market. Mm. Uh, here's the USD I did trade. It was a buy for today. Tomorrow I don't know. I was in profit for USD. Then let me check. Yeah. For gold, we'll just wait. Going for gold, we'll be waiting. Yeah, we're coming back down. Still coming back down. I think for tomorrow, if we closed as bullish like this, so we'll make a rejection. We'll try to make at least a rejection to somewhere around there, and we'll pay back and go back up. We're expecting a lot from this market in the gold. 2068 will be our target. The buyer bar. For you mean the buyer bar for you mean NASDAQ what sorry gold. You mean gold? Yes, gold will be a buy. I think for tomorrow. Just I think a pullback is what we will need. We are going to close right now in 4 minutes. Market is going to close in 4 minutes. So I think it's going to be a buy. Yeah. We're losing 1 minute. So around 12, it will be 1 hour until 12 o'clock in the morning. Actually, it's morning. Sure. I don't know whether it's morning or what. 12 o'clock or 12 a.m. We will be, the market will be closing noon, and morning. That's noon. Eh. You can see the market is closed. So yeah, price close. We're going to open at 12. So at 12, I think I'll try to look for opportunities and continue trading. I'm going to sleep late today. So we managed on gold. We managed to close as actually bullish inverted hammer. Yeah, we're still going up for gold. It's just that we need some pullback. If we don't get that, it's another story. So I'm expecting something like that. NASDAQ market, I think we close as bullish. Yes, we managed to close as bullish. So, which means we're still going up, no matter what. Yo. It's important. Okay. Yeah, wait, I want to believe you. What I say, sorry. No.